Hello, my name is Ben Parmer, and this is my CE570 project for week 2. So for this project, I decided to do a W30 by 292 shape. Here are the dimensions straight from the steel manual. It's a flange thickness of 1.85 inches, flange width of 15.3 inches, a web thickness of 1.02 inches, a total depth of 32 inches, and a total area of 86 square inches. So going into the code for the first section, this is the bottom flange itself. So this is just defining in feet the actual thickness of the flange and the width of that flange, and then the total length of that flange. And I decided to go here with 10 feet. And then, like my last project, I kept it with 5 grid points in each dimension, and then obviously each shape itself, each flange, and then each web, and then the web is going to have 6 faces, and then 12 edges. So this is what the body 1 looked like, or the bottom flange, when the code was complete. And then here is the web. As you can see, the minimum in the X1 direction is still 0 because the total length is 10 feet. But then the web thickness is 1.02 inches, and it has to be in the middle of that bottom flange. So that's why there's the 0.595, because that's 0.595 feet from the origin. And then 0.68, which is 0.68 feet from the origin, and that gives you 1.02 inches of web thickness. And then the X3 direction, it's the same thing for the height of the web, like I just explained. And here is that second body added on top of the bottom flange. Now moving on to the complete shape. So this is when I added on the top flange. And again, it's just like the web itself. It's 0 to 10 for the length, and then 0 to 1.275 for the actual width of the top flange. So this is the same as the bottom flange. The only thing that really changed from the bottom flange is the 2.512 to 2.666 feet, and that makes up for the thickness of the top flange and sets it on top of the web. And then here's what it looked like completed. This is the shape as it appeared, and then here's a cross-section view of the total shape. The parameterization of this was fairly simple. It's pretty self-explanatory to go through the actual volume of this section, but to parameterize it in the X1 direction, it was the length of each section, so S1, S2, and S3. So that means the bottom flange, the web, and then the top flange, those are all 10 feet. And then the X2 direction, again, it's defined similar to what I just explained earlier, just with the different dimensions to make up for it. And then same with the X3 direction. After parameterizing it and doing the hand calculations, I was able to confirm that the volume of the shape itself was 5.93 square feet. But that's all I have. Thank you.